Hi, I'm Dave Jackson. This is Henry.
Hello.
And we're off to a classic car show at the Daisy Maid in Lincoln. Right then, start off, Triumph Acclaim. Dad used to have one of them in blue. We've been around a few Mark 1 Escorts. You have to let me know what your favourite is, Henry, okay? Yeah? Dad loves a Volvo, doesn't he? Hey? Look at that. Crazy beast. Side pipes on it. Here's another one that Henry likes, an MX-5. A Mini Viper, yeah. Nice Nissan Bluebird. Has it been used as a taxi? What do you reckon? It's R20. Quite tiny that. Had about 7 of these Henry Fiestas. I like it. RS option front splitter. Loving the white on white. What's the colour look like? Mysterio, it does, doesn't it? Lovely 993 convertible. Sports car getting plenty of attention. Costs a 3.2. Big V6 in it.
And Porsche,
Yeah, I say that's the thing. You get an estimation.
VR6 Jelly. Yes, mate. That'll sound good, Henry. There's one for Charlie, really. What is it? Corvette. Yes, mate. Gotta love a set of cabs. Need to hear that barking. Yeah. I hope your Uncle Lewis had one of them for his first car. Mini Metro.
Do crazy gold.
That'd have caught some crims back in the day. Massive. Got to see the Lotus Cortina, Henry. What do you reckon to that, Henry? You could. Original patina on this jack. That's cool. Love a Volvo. Need to have a Volvo one day. Big brick. Loki and the Bandit. Oh, the Corvette for Charlie, look. Chrome wheels.
Does it help?
Of course you can, yeah. Pre-sounded tasty. Had a charger on it, I think, coming in. Everybody loves a white cheese, yeah? Needs to have some teeth in the grill, doesn't it? So it looks like a happy smiley face. Cheese. Cool, that you love that for go, yeah. Lovely, cosy. Anybody into tractors? There you go, that's your lot. Nice. Oh, what's that say? Daisy made. That's good, isn't it? Got a big spoiler on as well. These air vents are cool.
See you later.
Just been speaking to the couple that own this. Seen the videos. Greatly appreciated for subscribing. Got a beautiful GT4. So that's the Daisy made car show, classic car show done. We've had a good day, haven't we, mate? Yeah. Gonna go for a little ride with sausage tours. Over for an ice cream. Someone's gone.
That was probably that Porsche in my...
So we're having some little bonus footage at the end. Oh, let's get these coming in, look. Right then, some bonus driving footage for you. We're going to go for a nice ice cream now.
Yeah, just don't put your head on that. It's really warm.
Is it really hot?
Yeah. Just burnt my head. More space for more cars now.
Thanks, mate. Because he sort of leads the way, he knows where he's going. Oh, we need them. You've got to turn radio on, is everyone there? Sausage on board.
You're loud and clear.
Giving it.
Just up here, Jim. It's just up here.
That's it. Okay. Henry's not keen on going fast, Henry. We just take it steady for Henry. We can't go faster than the speed limit because we've got to keep everyone together, haven't we? See, we're not even doing 60 yet. quick McDonald's break, eh, Henry? 2 kids on the swings, look. Blight and crew, Blight and ice cream. Morning over. Fantastic. See you in the next one.